Bakhridin Chusti has a mission to make the Uzbekistan food famous all over the world. He has several restaurants, published several culinary books and travels across the country searching for inspiring recipes. We came to the central market of Tashkent to choose ingredients for one of his favorite dishes.
What are you going to cook today?
A dish that you can't imagine Uzbek cuisine without. Chuzma lagman, which means stretched noodles. In Uzbek cuisine, spices play a huge role, and lagman requires two main ones, star anise and Sichuan pepper. Lagman appeared in Uzbekistan during the era of the Great Silk Road, and it's one of my favorite dishes. First I put the meat broth to boil, then I marinate it. The longer the better.
Is it right the most difficult thing in this recipe is the dough?
Yes, some people don't dare make it, but in fact it's very simple. You have to process the dough properly. Dough loves fists.
So you have to knead the dough like this?
Yes.
For how many minutes?
At least 15 to 20 minutes. Then put the dough under cling film for 20 to 30 minutes, so that the dough rests without drying out. We knead the rested dough to a thickness of 1 or 2 centimeters, cut it into layers, and then make sausages.
Like that, right?
Yes. Then we make spirals and cover them with the film again. We need to do this at least 3 or 4 times. For the Uzbek people, dough is like meat. We can't imagine life without meat or without dough. While the dough's rising, we prepare the vegetables for the sauce.
How are the vegetables chosen?
The most important thing is to have different colors in the sauce that combine well. That's what whets the appetite. Vegetables need to be fried very quickly so that they crunch and don't lose their beneficial properties.
And now comes the most important moment.
For me, this is a pleasure. Don't worry. If the dough's done properly, everything will work out. The main thing is to do it quickly and cook it straight away.
Noodles al dente, crunchy vegetables and exquisite spicy aroma. Just an incredible combination. Very tasty.
Bon appétit.